Hello, let's go on a musical journey. For the journey to begin, you need to press the special button. These are helpful assistants. If you're ever here and you need to get good plants, talk to these guys. Excellent. Keep selling the plants. Ornaments. Now, let's be honest. You're probably wondering, what the hell is this? You wanted to know more about a band called Fur Cough and their new single. This is how you'll remember to actually check out the single, because you'll be going on this fantastical music journey. But don't lag behind. This thing. This is being recorded by Holly, so thank her.
You're welcome.
Don't thank yourself, Holly, that's wrong. Wellington boots, again, nothing to do with the music itself. Check this out. Come here. Can you see that? Mutant goldfish. They've been surviving on some strange toxic waste, and now they're this big. Unfortunately, they will never know the delights of Fur Cough. Fur Cough are a fantastic four-piece. You've got Karen on drums, Debbie on bass, and you've got two brothers on guitars. Why do I like them? They've got a new single that's out on the 23rd of March. It's called Digress. It's one of those strange songs where the verse is even more important than the chorus. When you get to the chorus, I'm not going to lie, it's good, but then you go back to the verse, it's got lovely twinkling guitars. It's out on 23rd of March. And you won't forget this, because you went on a musical journey. Goodbye.